Right, I'm removing the oil filter housing now, so as we can remove the timing mark plate, and then from the timing mark plate we can then get the puller onto the front crank seal and front crank pulley, and then hopefully remove that. It's nice to see that the engine has got oil inside it. This hopefully has helped preserve some parts inside, although all the major components will be machined and replaced. Very little, bar from the castings and the cranks, will be the original item when this car's finished. Right, we will now try to get the puller set up to remove the front crank pulley. As you can see, and here the puller did manage to remove the pulley intact without any marks or damage. So we are now removing the oil pump to gain some more access to the front. You might have noticed at the side of this engine was an almost finished rebuild that we've been doing for a Daimler Dart. That is the shiny engine to the one side, and we will feature that engine at a later date, and also that car will have a bit more featuring due to the fact it's going through a full respray and colour change and a leather retrim including spoked wheel conversion. Can now remove the last remaining bolts to get the front timing cover off. Just remove the tapered cover that the crank pulley sits on, and hopefully this shall now release itself. Again, all of the gears and the driving chains and the guides and blades will all be replaced, obviously, so we're not scared of those. I'm afraid that's as far as we can get today due to other commitments in the workshop, so we shall try to pick this up at a later date. Thank you.